I am the general manager here at the Good Karma Pet Adoption Center, and we recently built a catio so that our kitties could go outside and enjoy some fresh air. Unfortunately, once it started raining, there was a ton of water coming down the walls, coming down through the roof, which we weren't expecting. We were able to use Flex Shot and Flex Seal liquid to seal up the problem. It is completely dry. The kitties are able to go outside even when it's raining, and when the kitties are happy, we're happy.